In front of me is POCO F8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. To clean storage of your POCO, you don't need to download any cleaner. All you need to do is go into Settings, tap on About Phone at the top, and then select Storage under device name. Now scroll all the way down to hit Free Up, wait, hit Consent, and wait again. Last but not least, tap on Cleanup to get rid of all of your junk files. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!